It almost smells like perfume. Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika and I am so happy that Valentine's week is over. I was literally so sad the whole week that I took a good social media break. Meanwhile, I also did my Jaipur trip, Udaipur trip, and probably I'm gonna upload a few shorts and videos here and there. So what happened on Valentine's Day is I went for a lot of shopping. I went to Mimoso, Zudio, H&M, and I literally picked a lot of stuff. And today's video is about Zudio because I have so many new products from Zudio that I have to show you guys how they perform. So I have been shopping Zudio beauty products from like 2 years at this point. जब से उनका mascara launch हुआ तब से I am obsessed with their makeup and beauty products. So without much blabbering, let's quickly start with a Zudio haul, mainly beauty products. Let's start with the products that I have bought, used, and I have never reviewed. This is a product that is so viral even on Instagram. This is their Zudio Eyeshine Champagne 01 is the shade, and this is how it looks like. Can you see that? I mean, whenever I apply this on my eye, it feels like I'm wearing some like really expensive shimmer. But trust me, it's only for $1.99. And look at the swatch. It's so like good and well made. And I don't know how they sell it as such an affordable price. Also, there were 2 or 3 more shades. One was like a bronze and there was also a gold. But if you are an Indian girl and you match my skin tone, then this is for you. 01 Champagne. It is so subtle. You can use this for your inner corners and also your shimmery eye looks. I use this almost every day. Let's jump to the next product, which is this Cheeky Shine. The packaging looked so cute that I thought I should pick it up, and they usually have a trial product section mein hi, so you can use it while buying, but I did not find a trial for this, so try करे बिना ही मैंने ले लिया. इसका price भी बहुत कम था. It was probably $1.99, and this is supposed to be a highlighter. The shade is rose gold. This is how the packaging looks like. It is this retractable packaging, and this is the amount of product that you get. I've applied this like only once in my life, and I'm just gonna swatch it right here. You can see it, right? The swatch looks so good, and so does the shade. I really love this highlighter. This is rose gold, but there was one more shade which was kind of a bronze. I love it for my collarbone, and right now I don't have it, but this is the shade that you should pick because this is such a multi-purpose shade. Just apply it on your cheeks before applying makeup and then do your whole base, and it looks like a soft glam look and gives your face a subtle base. And also I'm wearing it today, as you can see. Doesn't really feel like I'm wearing something on my skin because cream highlighters actually kabhi-kabhi makeup ko thoda hata dete hain face se because you are supposed to do this, but this is like super blendable and it sits on your face like a dream. Okay, this is something new that I got. इनके पास पहले ये नहीं था, and this is their reusable makeup remover pads. The price is $79 only, and you get 4 pads. I usually remove makeup with my Earth Rhythm makeup pads. I always stock up on these, but they come for 200 rupees. However, this is for 79 only. I'm yet to try this out. I'm gonna upload a YouTube short about it, dedicated, and I will definitely review all the products that I'm showing in this haul because most of the products that I'm gonna show you right now are not tried, tested, and I haven't even touched them yet. Before moving on, let's quickly talk about these sunscreen wipes. So this is SPF 15 wipe, and the price is only 50 rupees. Every time I go to Zudio, मैं ये वापस लेके आती हूँ. This and their sneaker wipes, I love them both. So basically, if you're on a vacation or if you're just going out randomly, make sure you carry these because of course summers are coming and you need a good SPF. left if you don't have a spray, and if you don't have a budget, then this is literally 50 rupees. And next we have these super cute masks, and these are definitely their new launches. Trust me, month में एक बार तो मैं जाती ही हूँ, and I haven't seen these before. So this is their Zudio Down to Chill lip mask. Let's get pampered, and this has 10 masks at rupees 49. So I mean, I am stunned because this is like 5 rupees per mask, and if this works out, I am gonna be a big fan. Review coming soon. Next, let's come to this Zudio Down to Chill under eye patch. Let's get pampered, and this is 10 into 2 patches. Basically 10 times you can use it, and there are 10 patches at 49 rupees. Also look at the packaging. Let's just take some time and look at the packaging and adore it because it's so pretty. Whoever made these at 49, I am their big fan. Probably I'm just gonna use it tonight because I need a good pamper session after Valentine's Day. So yeah. Next is their hair mask. This is the Zudio hair mask, shine enriched with keratin. Again, look at the packaging, so pretty. I am absolutely obsessed. I hope this works out because ये सिर्फ 99 का है, and I haven't seen such an affordable hair mask ever. Like, it's so pretty, and girl math is, if this works out, I don't have to spend on hair spas at all. So yeah, I don't think that it will be that good because I am really not sure if it's supposed to work, because 100 रुपए में कैसे हो सकता है इतना अच्छा. The ingredients that I can read here are not like very good. There are mostly a lot of chemicals involved. Ingredient list is kind of sus. Next, again, some makeup removing pads. This is for only 79 rupees, and this is called their 60N usable cotton pads. There are 60 pads here, and this is basically for travel because, as I said, I'm a travel influencer now. So Jaipur jab main gayi thi, I thought that I'll need this, but I ended up going with my Earth Rhythm ka pad because of course it is more small and it's easy to carry, so I didn't carry this because thoda zyada jagah leta. Next, let's come to this exfoliating toner pads, hyaluronic acid and glycolic acid, and this is only for 79 rupees. Basically I got this because I saw a lot of pads on the internet and they are so famous right now. So what you do is you wake up, use this all over your face, then you go wash your face and have a good start of the day. Or सोने से पहले भी you can use this exfoliating pad. This is a beauty haul, but a random knick-knack. Look at this butterfly clip, and it's only for 79 again. So pretty. This is something that I'm really skeptical about. लेने से पहले भी मैंने 100 बार सोचा है इसके बारे में. This is the Zudio dry shampoo, instant refresh and volume boost. I don't know how that is supposed to work because dry shampoos 149 में नहीं मिलते. I have the Batiste one and it is for 700, and this, my little dear, is for 149 rupees. And look at the packaging. Like, I think they are bringing a hair care range in the color pink because it looks exactly same, and this is like so pretty. And I think I'm going out, so I should probably try this. Oh my god, almost smells like perfume. It has butane, propane, denatured alcohol. Fragrance is the 5th ingredient. Oh my god, I swear it smells like perfume, and it definitely made my hair a little more softer, but it smells like perfume. I literally had to turn on my fan. This smell is horrifying. If you're somebody who does not like fragrance, basically I have allergies, and I do not even apply like perfumes. I'm a body mist person, and that too very mild, and this smell just wouldn't go. It's so fragrant. might just get a migraine. Let's come to the last two products of this beauty haul. So basically, I do have a lot of mascaras from them as well. Mascara, lipstick, lip butter. I have already given the review and I am not a fan of those products. I don't like their mascara because it's not volumizing enough. It doesn't do anything for me and I like my lashes all up, all good. So it's not for me. Coming to the lip butter, it is kind of glossy and it just is not transfer proof, and what is not transfer proof is not made for me because this is how I like my lips to feel like, because I don't want anything to sit on my face and I can't eat anything properly. I do not feel comfortable that way. So all the lipsticks of Zudio is a pass for me. I really hope that they bring some transfer proof formulations. Jitna wo like product launch kar rahe hai, I think that the new range of lipsticks is on their way. Now coming to a lip balm. This is a Zudio lip balm. This is in the flavor mint and I've applied this. I got my male friend this one and I've applied it. It's like so good. थोड़ा सा नहीं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा unsettling है lips पे. Your lips are gonna feel like something is there and it's a good night time lip balm honestly. But पूरा दिन लगाने के लिए this is not the lip balm that you should pick up. I like it. I like the mint sensation, but not everybody does. थोड़ा सा plumping भी लगेगा and I hope that you try this at least once in your life because सिर्फ 50 रुपए का है, not even 50. It's 49 rupees, so you should definitely pick this up for once and try it for yourself. Now the last product, but it looks so cute. This is the Drip Check Blueberry Sheet Mask. इसका एक और वेरिएंट था और उसका वीडियो मैंने बनाया है, अपलोड भी किया है, so you should go check it out. I love their sheet masks. They are very hydrating, so nourishing, and it almost feels like, you know, the day just gets uplifted. And I don't think that it is only with Zudio sheet mask. कोई भी sheet mask हो, I am all up for it because sheet masks are a perfect form of self-care. You apply some and then you sit and you watch a movie, थोड़ा सा snacks खाते खाते, and it feels so good and refreshing. So I got another sheet mask with a super pretty packaging. I'm yet to try this flavor, but दूसरा वाला जो है वो मैंने already देख लिया है and I am absolutely in love. So that is it about today's video, you guys. I really picked like a lot of products this time and I'm really waiting for their more new launches because I am super excited with what this brand is going to do. I am obsessed with their jewelry as well and I have like a lot of jewelry products from them. Some are literally right here, and I think if you are somebody who's interested in my Zudio hauls, then let me know in the comments so I can make more for you because I shop a lot from them and I am literally obsessed with every product of theirs and I always have the most honest review. So I think that is about today's haul. My hair feels nice right now, but पूरा review मैं अभी नहीं दे सकती because एक dry shampoo काम तभी करता है जब next day your hair is not frizzy. So let's keep it aside, and that is it about today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till this point. If you like this video, make sure you leave a comment and let me know if you want a jewelry haul, that is like a Zudio jewelry haul, or any other hauls or videos. I have a lot of plans in March and stay tuned for all of it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye bye.